Hello my dear student, welcome to my channel. Here Mr. Shadi. Today I'm going to start the simulate project. So if you want to get 100% grade in this project, you must follow this video step by step and you will get 100% grade in this assignment. If you want me to do this project, I will do this just in 30 minutes and will give you a plus grade in this assignment. Even I will do your complete course like MATLAB, Excel, Access, Word, PowerPoint, Power BI and Outlook also. And I will help you in your other courses also, like all type of accounting and finance, mathematics, statistics, information technology, computer science, management, marketing, all type of writing work, MATLAB, Python, C++, Java, and other courses also. We are a complete team. That's why we are providing help related to all online courses, and we have a guaranteed that we will provide A plus grade in your all classes. It's better for you if you will make a deal for complete course. We will charge very reasonable price like student price, and if you will refer other student, we will give you a big discount also. Let's start this assignment. The name of this chapter is, so first we will highlight this, the chapter name. So the name of this chapter is Excel 221 in practice, chapter 6, advanced project 6 to 7, advanced project 6-7. So these are the skill covered in this project. So basically these are the skills which we will cover today in this video. Use if error to display a custom message. Use the watch window to monitor edits. Create a sum ifs formula. Build a count ifs formula. Use checks functions to display a sentence. Use date. Format codes. Now I'm going to start the main steps of this project. These are graded steps and almost like the 7 steps are given to perform this project. So it's 6 steps. And our 7th step is save and close the workbook. Upload. 8th step is upload and save your project file and submit for grading. So these 3 are not graded, but 6 steps are graded steps. Now I'm going to start the main steps. Our step number 1 is open the file with this name and click enable button, enable editing button. So we will open our answer file where we will perform the all instruction steps. So this is our answer file. If you will see here enable editing, then click at enable editing, then after enable editing your worksheet will be enabled. So next is the file will be renamed automatically, include your name. So basically in this point says that you don't have to save the file with your name because the program will add your name automatically. So you don't have to save the file with your name. So next is nest and if error function with the formula. So step number 2 has 3 parts, part A, B and C. Now I'm going to do part A. Our part A is select cell E6 on the account egging sheet and review the formula. So we'll go to account egging sheet and we will review the formula. Which one? In E6. Okay, E6. So this is our formula. And next is the formula, subtract the invoice date from date today date in cell G1. So it says that in formula G1 is G1 subtract with B6 like invoice date. Okay, so part A is done. Now part B. In part B, nest and if error formula to display check date instead of standard error message. So basically in part B, we will edit the formula and we will nest an if error function in E6. Okay, so just go to formula bar and just click here and we will nest the if error function. This one, double click at this function. So this function is inserted and just click here in B6. So next we will add it to display the check layout instead of standard error message. So we'll copy this check date. You can write this in formula, comma, inverted commas, control V paste this check date text and inverted commas again and close bracket and press enter. Okay. So Sorry, just 1 minute. So part B is done now. Part C. Our part C is copy the if error formula to cells E7 up to E20. So we will drag this from E7 up to E20. Okay. So just check this. Step number C is completely done. So step number 2 is completely done. Now step number 3. Our step number 3 is monitor edit in the watch window. So step number 3 has 4 parts: part A, B, C, and D. Now I'm going to do part A. Part A is add cells C6 up to C20 as a watch in the watch window. So we'll copy this range and go to answer sheet, and we'll paste this range in the name box and press enter. So this range is selected now. Next is add cells as a watch window. Okay. So this range is selected now. Then we will click at formula. So we will add this range in the watch window. So just click at watch window. So after open the watch window tab, we will click at add watch. So range is already selected. Just check here C6 up to C20. So this range is already selected. We will just click at add and close this. So this range is added here in watch window. Just check here C6 up to C20 and close this. So step number part A is done. Now part B. Part B is click the egging detail sheet tab. So we'll switch the egging detail sheet, and next is part C. Our part C is build a find and replace command to replace all occurrence of auto staff with account staff throughout the workbook. Use search and replace string that maintain the comma and the word I and C. So basically in part B, we will find and replace the text. So go to answer sheet and just click at home tab. After home tab, we will just click at editing. In editing group, we will just click at find and select, and we'll just click at replacing. So we will find with which sentence. Find a co-staff, paste this text here and press tab and replace with account staff. Okay, these are, so we will paste this text here. After this, we will click at replace all. So it says that all done. We made 4 replacements. So we have made find the 4 replacement in this document. So step part C is done. Now part D. Part D is delete the watch names and close the watch window. So I have already added the range in part A. Now I'm going to delete the range which I have already added in part A. So in part C, we will delete the range in watch window. So just click here in this table and then go to formula tab and watch window and just click at delete watch. Okay, just click at delete watch and we'll select all. We'll resize this. Okay, select all these range. After selected, we will just click at delete watch. So our range is deleted from watch window, and after this we will close this. So step number 3 is completely done. Step number 4. Our step number 4 is use sum ifs to calculate totals that are late by 30 days or more. So step number 4 is almost 5 parts. Part A, B, C, D, and E. Now I'm going to do part A. Or part A is click the egging detail sheet tab. So we'll go to egging detail sheet tab. So it's already switched. So part A is done. Now part B. Part B is name cells A5 up to A20 as detail. So in part B, we will give the name range to this range A5 up to E5. Control C, copy this range and paste this range here in the name box and press enter. So this range is selected now. After selected the range, we will copy this name and we will give this name to this range. So just click here in the name box, Control V, paste this name here, or you can write and press enter and unselect this range. So just go to name box and just click at detail. So just check here, I have given the name range to this range. So part B is done. Now part C. Part C is use sum ifs in cell H6 to calculate the total due from account staff that is 30 or more days late. So in part C, we will insert the sum ifs function in H6 is equal to sum ifs function, and we will take the range insert function here. So we'll take the sum range. So D5, D6 up to D20 is our sum range. Du is our sum range. We will take this range for sum range, press tab, and we will take the criteria range. So this is our criteria range. So we will take this criteria range C6 up to C20, and our criteria is account staff. G6 is our criteria, and press tab again, and we will take the criteria range 2. So age is our criteria 2 range. So we'll take the range E6 up to E20 is our criteria 2 range. Press tab again, and we will, and next is criteria 2. So account staff that is 30 or more days. So we will just click at inverted commas, comma, inverted commas is greater than or equal to 30 and inverted comma again, and just click at. So erase this comma. Okay. Inverted comma is greater than or equal to 30, and after this we will click at OK. So part C is done. Now part D. For part D is use sum ifs for custom text in cell H7. So again we will insert the sum ifs function in H7 is equal to sum ifs function. Again insert the function here, and we will take the sum range same and D6 up to D20, press tab, and our criteria range is C6 up to C20, press tab, and our criteria is custom text. Okay, now we are going to calculate the custom total for custom text, and criteria G7, press tab, and our criteria range 2 is age, E6 up to E20, press tab, and again we will take the inverted commas is greater than or equal to 30, inverted commas close, and we will just click at OK. So step number part D is done now. I have done almost half of this assignment, so more than half of this assignment I have done because 6 steps are graded, and I have done almost 4 steps, and almost like 70 to 80% I have done. So if you want to get complete assignment, I will do this just in 30 minutes and will give you a plus grade in this. And just check here the final figure, my answers and final figure answers are totally same. Just check here. So if you want to get complete assignment, I will do this just in 30 minutes and will give you a plus grade in this assignment. Even I will do your complete course like MATLAB, Excel, Access, Word, PowerPoint, Power BI, and Outlook also, and I will help you in your other courses also like all type of accounting and finance, mathematics, statistics, information technology, computer science, management, marketing, all type of writing work, MATLAB, Python, C++, Java, and other courses also. We are a complete team. That's why we are providing help related to all online courses, and we have a guaranteed that we will provide A plus grade in your all classes. It's better for you if you will make a deal for complete course. We will charge very reasonable price like student price, and if you will refer other student, we will give you a big discount also. Thank you for watching this complete video. Please subscribe this channel for upcoming assignments. Once again, thank you.